Hi, this is Chelsea. Today I'm at Nissan of the East Side. We're the #1 Nissan dealership in the Pacific Northwest. We're located in Bellevue, right off of 405 and the 8th Street exit. Today we're looking at this beautiful gray 2012 Chevy Sonic. On the exterior, it has automatic headlights, has alloy wheels, perfect for a first-time buyer. Let's take a look on the interior. Inside, it has two-tone cloth seats, has an automatic transmission, CD player with iPod integration and AM/FM radio, has manual locks, manual windows, nice and clean on the inside. Very comfortable here in the back seat. It does seat up to 3 full-size adults. There's plenty of cargo space. You can fold those seats down, gives you a little bit more room. It also has a privacy cover here to keep your valuables hidden. All of our inventory at Nissan goes through a thorough safety inspection. They are beautifully detailed, so you can purchase with confidence. Give us a call today to set up a test drive with one of our professional sales representatives at 855-315-0202. Thank you for clicking on our virtual tour.